Least likely person to wind up on a stamp.
Right this way, Ms. Lewinsky.
Rejected theme songs from the movie Titanic.
I love the taste of salt water filling my lungs.
State mottos rejected for license plates.
Mississippi, we do too have all our teeth.
Favorite pranks of nuns. People who won't be appearing on Currency anytime soon.
Oh, I can't break a Lewinsky.